of them. For I, the Lord your God, am a jealous God, visiting the iniquity of the fathers on the children to the third and fourth generations of those who hate me, but showing mercy to thousands to those who love me and keep my commandments. You shall not take the name of the Lord your God in vain, for the Lord will not hurt him guiltless who take his name in vain. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. 6 days you shall labor and do all your work. But the 7th day is the Sabbath of the Lord your God. In it you shall do no work, you nor your son nor your daughter, nor your manservant nor your maidservant, nor your cattle nor your stranger who is within your gate. For in 6 days the Lord made the heavens and the earth, the sea and all that is in them, and rested the 7th day. Therefore the Lord blessed the Sabbath day and hallowed it. Honor your father and your mother, that your days may be long upon the land which the Lord your God is giving you. You shall not murder, you shall not commit adultery, you shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. You shall not steal, you shall not covet your neighbor's house, you shall not covet your neighbor's wife, nor his manservant, nor his maidservant, nor his ox, nor his donkey, nor anything that is your neighbor's. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verses 9 and 10, and Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verses 1 to 8. Rejoice, O young man, in your youth. Let your heart cheer you in the days of your youth, and in the ways of your heart and the sight of your eyes. But know that for all this, God will bring you into judgment. Therefore, remove sorrow from your heart and put away evil from your breast. For childhood and youth are vanity. Remember now your Creator in the days of your youth, before the difficult days come, and the years run near when you say, I have no pleasure in them. Or the sun and the light, the moon and the stars are not darkened, and the clouds do not return after the rain. In the day when the keepers of the house tremble, and the stronger bow down, when the brighter cease because they are few, and those that look through the windows grow dim. When the keepers of the house, when the doors are shut in the streets, and the song of grinding is low. When one rises up with the song of a bard, and all the daughters of music are brought low. Also when they are afraid of hate, and of terrors in the way. When the almond tree blossoms, the grasshopper is a burden and desire fears. For man goes to his eternal home, and the mourners go about the street. Remember your Creator, before the silver cord is loose, or the golden bowl is broken, or the pitcher shattered at the fountain, or the wheel broken at the wheel. Then the dust will return to the earth as it was, and the spirit will return to God who gave it. All vanity of vanities, says the preacher, all is vanity. Revelation chapter 14 verses 6 to 13. Then I saw another angel fly in the midst of heaven, having the everlasting gospel to preach to those who dwell on the earth, to every nation, tribe, tongue, and people, saying with a loud voice, Fear God and give glory to him, for the hour of his judgment has come, and worship him who made heaven and earth, the sea and spring of water. And another angel followed, saying, Babylon is fallen, the great city, because she has made all nations drink of the wine of the wrath of her fornication. Then a third angel followed them, saying with a loud voice, If anyone worship the beast and his image, and whoever receives the marks of his forehead or on his hand, he himself shall also drink the wine of the wrath of God, which is poured out full strength into the cup of his indignation.